Hi everyone, in today's video I want to show you this veggie burger recipe with a homemade brioche bun. The burger patty is really easy to make, and of course the homemade brioche bun is optional. Here I already mixed all the ingredients for the bun and set the dough on the side. I'm chopping about 7 mushrooms, and I will leave the exact description of the ingredients and measurements below. The mushrooms will add extra flavor to the patty, and will also add that texture that will mimic the ground meat texture. Just set the mushrooms on the side. Meanwhile, I have already washed and drained a can of organic black beans, adding some green onion, garlic, and half an onion. I'm also adding some almond flour and crushed tomatoes. And you can use any flour. I used almond and chickpeas. I've also used whole wheat flour in the past, and it all works well. And then just the spices, some salt, black pepper, and cumin. And you can add some fresh parsley or cilantro and just blend it all in. And then add this mixture to the mushrooms. Mix it all together and just meanwhile, preheat your oven to 380 degrees Fahrenheit, and at this point I kept adding more flour just to make sure that the mixture is not really liquidy, and then just using a spoon, placing it over parchment paper and shaping it with hands. I ended up making 4 burgers. And it doesn't take long. It's about 10 minutes on one side, and then I'm just flipping them for another 5-7 minutes. And meanwhile, taking the dough out, and it's my first time making brioche buns or any kind of buns, and they turned out so delicious. I used spelt flour and whole wheat flour, and also added some spinach. That's why you see those green leaves. And just placing them on parchment paper, flattening them a little bit, and using an egg for an egg wash, and sprinkling some sesame seeds on top. And they're ready to go in the oven. I bake them for about 45 minutes on a 380 degrees Fahrenheit, already preheated oven. And here are the buns out. Seriously, they turned out so delicious. Now just watching them makes me so hungry. I will leave that recipe below, but this video was more for the burgers, so that's why I didn't go into details for the buns. And here is the time to build your burger. I like mine with ketchup, mustard, lettuce, tomato, and avocado. I hope you enjoyed this video and give this recipe a try. I prefer making my veggie burgers at home because the ones that you buy from the store are loaded with a lot of ingredients, and a lot of those ingredients are really questionable, and even though they are veggie burgers, they are not healthy. So making them from scratch doesn't really take that long, and you know what you're putting into your burger and into your body. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week with another video. Bye!